Washington Square Mall Indianapolis, not to be confused with Washington Square Mall Evansville, is a dead mall that was first opened in 1974. As of 2020, the mall only has one remaining anchor store, being Target, and has seen a variety of anchor stores come and go, such as Sears, Dick's Sporting Goods, and Burlington Coat Factory. The mall has had various financial issues such as unpaid property tax and thus has seen its fair share of different managers and owners. The person who requested this video on Twitter actually went to the mall itself and took photos, so I believe it's only fair that we analyze and break them down. The lack of background in this first image gives a sense of unknown, which contrasts the friendly rabbit cutout. I also like how visually you're drawn to the colorful house in the middle. This image of another play area is all but too lonely, as the gray and washed out ground doesn't help but make it feel all the more sad. This image feels different than the first two, as it looks a lot more open, and thus the loneliness makes it feel all the more liminal. Bonus points for the small pathetic looking train ride. Lastly, this image just speaks uncomfortability and confusion, as we know this image was taken inside of a mall, but has this weird strange exterior house wall design. If you have an interesting place that you want covered, or a collection of liminal space photos, you can request it to me on my Twitter, or join the Discord server below. And as always, thank you for watching, and take care.